All right, here's my trolley, cart, whatever you want to call it, for my kayak. I've designed it to fold up. This is it folded. So you unfold it, and this strap keeps it from unfolding too far. And then you pull these little side arms up so that they're flat, and that's about it. Then you run your straps across here and across here, and you got it strapped down in two places, and the 3/4 inch PVC will be flexible enough to just bend just a little bit and support the kayak. Took about an hour and about $30 worth of parts. If there's any interest, I'll make a video on how I did it. If there's not, it ain't rocket science.